are pleased to show you the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, stability control, keyless entry, navigation system, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.